Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 42 in Physics Demystified, 2nd edition. We're talking here about geomagnetic declination. What can that cause? Well, if you take a magnetic compass, this is what the face of such a thing looks like. You set it down horizontally, or you hold it horizontally. The needle of that compass will point towards magnetic north. Magnetic north, however, is rarely the same as true north or geographic north. This is sometimes also called geomagnetic north. But there's almost always going to be a difference between true north and the direction in which your compass needle points, which is towards magnetic north. That difference, expressed as an angle, is what we call magnetic or geomagnetic declination. Now, that's not the same declination as you have in astronomy. In astronomy, declination coincides to celestial latitude. It's an entirely different thing. It's an angle, but it's an entirely different definition. Geomagnetic declination is the difference between true north and magnetic north as an angle. Well, this phenomenon can cause or it is responsible for the fact that a compass needle generally will not point towards true north. Now, in order to find true north, therefore, with a magnetic compass, you need to know the declination at your particular location. If you know that declination, you can take that into account and adjust your compass accordingly. This compass has been adjusted accordingly. It looks like the declination is maybe 25 degrees or thereabouts. 25 degrees east of north, or plus 25 degrees. Generally speaking, if you know that declination, you can take that into account. That's why you will find degrees around the edge of most magnetic compasses. You can then turn it and you will be able to tell where true north is, assuming that the ground under your location doesn't have any weird magnetic rocks in it, which can really mess up a compass, or that there aren't any powerful magnetic generators in your vicinity, which in our society, in our complicated electronic society, there are oftentimes such things. So a magnetic compass, though, if you're out in the open and you know your declination. But anyway, the correct answer to this question is A. Geomagnetic declination can cause a magnetic compass needle to point away from true north.